Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm going to teach you how you can link or connect Google Sheets in monday.com. So basically if you go to integration section and if you search for Google Sheets, you get nothing, and that's because monday.com does not have a dedicated automation for Google Sheets, but you can use third-party tools like Zapier to achieve the same functionality. Go to your Zapier account and press this create button, then press Zaps, and it will open up a new editor window. A Zap is basically an automation between two apps. The trigger is an app that initiates an automation, and the action is an app that responds to that trigger. So in trigger, select the app from which you want to send data to another app. So let's say I want to send data from Sheets to monday.com. So I select Google Sheets in trigger. In event, I need to select what should trigger this automation, like what should happen in spreadsheet so this automation will run. So let's say I want to select new spreadsheet row. I selected. What it's going to do is whenever there is a new spreadsheet row added in Google Sheets, it will start this automation. It will send data to monday.com. Press continue. It will now ask you to connect your Google Sheets account. So press choose button, or you get a sign in button if you don't have an account created. I basically have my account logged in, so I can just choose. But once you select your account, you gotta click on action. Here you have to search for monday.com. Since we want to send data to monday.com, search Monday, select monday.com. That is perfect. In the event, choose what should happen in monday.com. So let's say I want to automatically create an item in monday.com. I just go and I just select this option, and now it is perfect. So press continue, and here it will ask you to sign into your monday.com account. So you basically connect your monday.com account with Zapier, and the automation is pretty much set up. So this is how you link your Google Sheets with monday.com. There is no direct integration provided by monday.com, but third-party tools like Zapier can get the job done. So I hope this tutorial was helpful. We'll see you in the next one. Thanks.